Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is an updated video today to show you how to get free Microsoft rewards points in 2026. This is the fastest method and you can obtain 100,000 points straight into your Microsoft rewards account. And it literally takes a few minutes, guys. This actually uses a working code. So what you're going to want to do is follow all of the instructions, get your code, and yeah, you can redeem it in the Microsoft Rewards platform. So let me just head on over and show you where you redeem it. But there is a redeem code part in the Microsoft website. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and you need to log in basically, guys. But I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get your free Microsoft Rewards points. And yeah, this is going to save you a bunch of time grinding these tedious tasks and buying stuff, because this is literally going to get you 100,000 points for free. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser and basically head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So Crash Coupons is a awesome game code website, and they actually have codes for pretty much everything. Of course, they have a page on here for Microsoft Rewards. So you just got to type it in, make sure you can actually spell Microsoft Rewards. There's only one verified working coupon code, guys, but like I said, this is a code you can redeem, and it is going to get you 100,000 free Microsoft Rewards points. So click on Get Code. These are limited codes and the entire process only takes a few minutes, guys. I've already done this, so I believe you can only do it once, and I won't waste the code for this tutorial. But once this loads up, it's going to show you a preview of your hidden code here. So your Microsoft Rewards points code is hidden. You need to unlock it, guys, and this only takes a few minutes. Like I said, I've already done it, so I won't waste the code. But click on Get Full Code, that orange button, and it's going to bring you to a new screen. You need to complete a couple of tasks to unlock your code, but it is super easy. They're quicker tasks than the Microsoft Rewards ones anyway. So fully complete 2 of them, and it will reveal your code, guys. So you can literally grab your code from that box I showed you and redeem it in your Microsoft Rewards account. So make sure you log into your Microsoft account and you can search for redeem gift card or codes, and you can enter the code you get once you fully complete your tasks, and that is going to get you 100,000 free points. So hope you enjoyed the video. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me go. Make sure let me know. Don't let me go. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.